What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Currency Counts, where I cover all things money. In today's video, we're going to cover 5 of the best credit cards you can take out if you're new to credit and are trying to establish it. This will even work for people with bad credit that are trying to reestablish. Let's get right into it. As you may or may not know, it's going to be very difficult to be approved for a credit card if you have no credit or bad credit. And in most cases, you're going to have to secure the card, which means you're going to have to put upfront money. And on top of that, the APR is going to be pretty high. With these cards, they're unsecured, which means no upfront money. And best part of all, there's no fees and no APR. But I do want to point out, these are strictly for rebuilding credit. Not for high credit limits, not for any perks, not for anything else, but rebuilding credit. They do report to the 3 major credit bureaus, which means with on-time payments, you're gonna see your credit score go up every month. Oh man, this video is gonna be a lot shorter than I thought it was gonna be. I started out with 5 cards I wanted to review that were supposed to be the best credit cards for people with no credit just starting out and for people rebuilding credit. But it turns out those 5 cards turned into 2. I didn't want to tell you these cards were the best when they really weren't. I thought they were, but doing a little bit more digging, they ain't cool at all. So we are gonna cover the best 2 credit cards. So let's give you an example of a bad credit card and what that looks like. Down here we have the Surge card, which has an annual fee of $75 to $99, no monthly fee for the first year. Every year after that, it's gonna be $10 a month. The APR is 24.9 to 29.9. Here's another one, the Total Visa card. One-time fee of $89, 34.9% APR, annual fee of $75 and $48 every year after that. And then you have a monthly fee of $625 after the first year. So that's kind of what you're working with as far as a bad credit card to establish or reestablish credit. So the first card I'm going to give honorable mention to is a Sable card. Now the reason I wouldn't consider this one of the best cards is because there's a lot of hoops to jump through. But one of the perks is they don't check your credit score. So the way this product works is you're gonna have to open up a Sable bank account along with the Sable secured credit card. The money you open up your bank account with, you can move some of those funds as low as $10 into your secured credit card. But you won't be able to use the secured credit card funds until you've hit certain milestones using your Sable bank account debit card. Once you've hit those milestones, your secured credit card will be unlocked. Now you can use the funds that you have in your secured card. So they're not actually giving you credit, you're using the money that you do have in your account that you moved from your bank account. But the positive note on this is they do report to the 3 major credit bureaus. So you'll be establishing positive payment history on your credit report. But again, it's a lot of hoops to jump through to start using your secured credit card. So the first credit card you're gonna want to apply for when establishing credit for the first time or reestablishing credit is the Chime Credit Builder Visa card. Now with the Chime Credit Builder Visa, they don't check your credit score at all. So the way this card works is it's similar to the Sable card. You have to open up a bank account, and when you open up your bank account, you can also apply for the credit builder account. But what's different about the Chime Credit Builder is you don't have to hit certain milestones. All you have to do is set up direct deposit. Once you set up direct deposit, you'll be eligible for the Chime Credit Builder Visa card. And to use this card, all you have to do is move funds from your bank account to your Chime Credit Builder account, and that's how you're gonna start establishing credit. All right, so the next one, and this one is the best when you want to establish credit for the first time or reestablish credit, because unlike the other ones, you don't have to open a bank account with this product, and you do actually get a credit limit, the Tomo credit card. So when you apply for this card, they're not gonna check your credit. No hard pull, no soft pull. There's no fees, there's no APR. So the way this card works is when you apply, you're gonna have to link an existing bank account. When you link your existing bank account, your banking history is gonna determine how much you get qualified for, anywhere from $200 to $10,000. Yes, I said that right, $200 to $10,000. But here's the kicker. You will need to pay the balance back in full every week. So if you get qualified for $1,000, at the end of the week, you're gonna have to pay back that full $1,000. But one of the perks of using this card is that there's 1% cash back. So if you have a bank account right now and you're using the debit card and you have no cash back, might as well use the Tomo credit card and get 1% cash back along with establishing your credit history. So these cards here are gonna get you on the right path for establishing or reestablishing your credit. I wanna thank you for watching. Check you on the next one.